Hey guys, Knowles, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is called Parkinson's syndrome, which is genetic early onset Parkinson's. Excuse me, my eye is watering today. And that's part of the reason why I started the channel, because makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. And a lot of people look at these beautifully airbrushed models and, you know, these perfect, gorgeous video creators and think, oh my gosh, I don't look like that, or I have this, or I have that, you know, as far as like I have tremors, and okay, it's not for me, or, you know, aspire to some like unattainable ideal. And I want to show that, you know, no, you don't have to spend a fortune to feel good about yourself, and makeup is for everybody. So anyway, today I am going over the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Collection. I did go over a couple of these in the kit. Oh, sorry, the butter kit. It is so huge, from Casey Holmes. And I tried out the shadows that are in here. But I really don't reach for this because it's so big and bulky, and I wanted to really give the eyeshadows a good try. Now I got this for $14.88 at Walmart, and you get 4, 8, 12 eyeshadows for $14.88. It's a good deal. So I'm going to go over it with you. Let me tell you from the get-go, I wish you could see my sink in my bathroom right now. The fallout from this is real, guys. Not only kicking up in the pan, but the fallout. It is real. So I even brought a brush with me just to show you if you can see it, because I'm not sure if my fingers are going to do it or not. But the shades are beautiful. I got the day. They have a day and night, and I got the day version. The colors are beautiful, and of course it smells like everything in the Butter collection. Oh my gosh. They are super soft, which is probably why there's a lot of fallout, but they are gorgeous. They have it set up on the back with 3 suggested looks, using each of these as a quad themselves. But of course you can mix and match everything, and that's what I did. Well, let's go through. I'm going to go through as the quads, but before we do that, let me see if it'll show you. If I can show you, I will barely tap my brush in there. Did you guys see all that fallout from that? It is insane. There is powder all in there. I'm not sure if you can see it because it was kind of a light color. Oh my gosh. It's pretty bad. I gotta say, it's one of the worst that I've ever used. It's pretty, but I just want everybody to be aware of the fallout now. So let's go through these. Let's swatch them. I'm going to give it more chances, but yeah, it's pretty bad. So I'm going to go through this first quad. Here is beautiful neutral colors. So this first color is called Barefoot in Brazil. Very pretty. And these are super soft. I mean, super, super soft, which is probably why there's a lot of kick up and fallout. Then this is White Sands right here. I just love the smell of these. I love the smell of everything, but from the Butter collection. Then Coastal Chic. Now this is a great neutral color for me. Just a natural look for me. Oh my gosh. I mean, the fallout on my table is insane right now. And then Tan Lines. Also very pretty. So that's more of a neutral quad there. Natural neutrals. Then we go kind of in more, you know, a darker neutral. So we have Sightseeing right here. Very pretty shimmer. There's Sightseeing. And then we have Heat Wave, which looks a lot like one of the ones in the Casey Holmes collection. There we go. Next we have Sand Dunes. Isn't that a pretty color? And then Coco Loco is this dark brown here. There's Coco Loco. Right there. See, these are gorgeous colors. It's just the fallout. I'm going to have to decide, is it worth it or not? Now for the brighter colors over here. First we have Ready for Rio. This is a very pretty color. Pretty shimmer. There's Ready for Rio. I'm always ready for Rio. Her Pleasure is this beautiful purple right here. This gorgeous purple. Then we have Healing Tide. Beautiful teal. Look how beautiful that is. And last but not least is Island Hopping. This mauve, matte mauve here. So there we have the entire palette, all 12 colors. You get $12 or 12 shades for $14.88. Comes with one of these little eyeshadow things. Not real great. But I mean, even the fallout on my dust just from using my fingers, and fingers pick up a lot more than the brushes. I mean, it's the fallout it's bad. So I'm going to give it a couple more uses and kind of figure out, is it worth it to put up with the fallout, or is it really not? And I will follow up with you guys and let you guys know. But anyway, $14.88 wherever Physicians Formula is sold. Smells awesome. Everything is super soft and they're beautiful. But like I said, the kick up and the fallout may not make it worth it. All right, guys, so that's it. We are getting closer to the big giveaway announcement that will be coming up later this week. So until then, I'll talk to you guys down in the comments section and see you in my next video. Bye.